If you want to learn how to make some sales, this is the video for you. I will teach you how to create an offer and start selling whatever the hell you want. Let's hop right into it. First, you have to figure out your ideal customer. Finding your target market is extremely important to your success, because if you cannot provide value to your customers, they will not buy into whatever you are offering. As much as we love the sell me this pen story, if they are not in the market for a pen, they will not give a crap about your freaking pen. You must understand your ideal customer to serve them better. You have to figure out what kind of person they are, what they care about, what they need, and what their pain points are. Now that you know who your ideal customer is, you can make a much more appealing offer. A good offer includes 3 things in this order. First, the promise. How your product or service will change someone's life. Second, the pitch. Why should they get your product or service right now? Thirdly, the price. How much and how to buy it. The promise needs to point out a clear benefit. It should be crafted into a short and bold statement that gets attention and points out the benefit immediately. Always try to appeal to something valuable to them or to their emotions. This could include how your offer saves them time or how it will give them a much better experience. The pitch is everything someone needs to know, but don't include the irrelevant crap. It also should add urgency. Give them a reason to get it right here, right now. And lastly, the price should include not only the price, but exactly what people need to do to receive the product or benefit. Buy online at this site, go to this location, etc. Based on what I told you, the pitch is probably the most important part to creating sales. Everyone with a brain should easily be able to see the benefit if it is a good product, but not everyone will see a need to get it right here, right now. Here are some tips on writing a great pitch. First, write to a singular person, not to a group. Things are much more convincing when they are more personal, so talk directly to your ideal customer in your pitch. Number 2, have a purpose for every word. Everything needs to be there for a good reason. Number 3, use numbers. Numbers draw attention much faster than words. There's a reason why the media puts numbers in headlines so often. Number 4, use words that create joy, surprise, reassurance, and other positive emotions. Keep the pitch fun and lively. Your offer should make people feel better in some way. Number 5, help customers see themselves as part of the story. One way to do this is through testimonials from previous customers, if they are available. Number 6, use action verbs. Action words lead to action. Number 7, show excitement. You believe in your product or service. Show it. Enthusiasm is contagious. Make people enthused about your offer. Now that you know how to write a great pitch, here are some ways that you can create urgency in your pitch. Number 1, use words like now and today in the call to action. Using these deadline words will make customers act fast on the deal. Number 2, respond quickly to customer inquiries. A Harvard business study showed that when companies responded within an hour, they were 7 times more likely to make a sale. Number 3, use red when showing a deal or discount. Red psychologically creates urgency and spurs excitement and passion. Number 4, announce an upcoming price increase, but give people time to make the purchase before the increase goes into effect. For example, you might say $9.99 this week only. And lastly, if selling online, add a countdown timer on your checkout page. Time left to purchase 7 hours, 31 minutes, and 14 seconds. Countdowns always create some level of urgency. I really hope this video helps you make some sales. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and have a great day.